Out here, the views are endless, but so is the sun. It doesn't take much before the heat wears you down. That's why we bring this with us. It's light, easy to set up, and it keeps us comfortable no matter where we are. Instead of fighting the heat, we get to enjoy the day, whether we're cooking, resting, or just hanging out by the water. And of course, Gus claims his spot right in front every time. At the end of the day, it's simple. Adventure feels better when you're comfortable. Zero Breeze Mark III. Comfort anywhere.